I see that tax reform where they talk say they won't start next year. Or more, a lot of things go happen. And if we keep silent about it, then go infiltrate into our privacy. We could tell ourselves the truth. This is another way for the government to know every single thing in our life. Everything we do, down to making payment, down to knowing the amount in your bank account, down to know when you travel, down to know when you buy a car, down to know when you go out to club, also down to having an automated receipt shared automatically to the government whenever you purchase anything. We cannot just talk too much. We're gonna watch this video by ourselves.
People struggle to survive.
How do you then track people to pay tax?
Yes.
How do you hope to capture more people into the net?
Yes.
You are looking for 30 million more people.
Yes. So this is
for the
where
federal taxation.
No, that's the state. It's actually state. For individual is states.
Okay.
The federal one is now the companies.
Yeah.
It's a lower number. But you see, this is the whole essence of the intelligence we are trying to piece together. What happens in your bank account when you travel abroad, how you use your payment card, electricity, your phone, all those information. We've also introduced what we call fiscalization, which is when you issue an invoice for goods or services, government gets a copy automatically. What we're trying to do with that is, instead of relying on people to be honest and patriotic to tell us their income, we want to use the system to find out.
With this video now, it is obvious that as from next year, in as much as you are in the range of people that will be paying tax, you no longer have privacy to whatsoever you do again, as they are going to introduce this system in order for them to be able to track basically everything that has to do with your financial life. This is absolute surveillance, more or less like a spy. So we no longer have privacy in as much as we are in the bracket of those that will be paying tax as from next year. May God help us in this country.